This is the elevator at the Mount Lebanon T station in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. It's another Dover. There's the light rail station. This elevator goes to the light rail station. It's another Dover impulsed Oildraulic. Here it is. Okay. Here it is. Go down to 1. Yeah, this definitely a Dover. This one's a lot smaller, 2,100 pounds. Interesting elevator for a light rail station. Normally they have glass doors. Okay, that's an interesting buzz right there. Go up to 2. There's the light rail station. Door closed button works.
If this is elevator number 2, there must be somewhere else.
I was hoping for a dry-powered motor. I hoped for a dry-powered Oildraulic. Let's get our cab view. Basic, pretty interesting for a transit system. Impulse fixtures, hands-free 80 code phone, RAS Microtech, 2,100 pounds. Look up the airlock. Dover blue. Pretty weird elevator for a transit system. There goes Ann. That's it.